Naka-Toyota Innova Zenix ka ba yung bago? Yung ganitong itsura? Diba? Ito guys, video for you guys. Lahat ng upgrades na ginawa namin for the Innova Zenix. Let's start with the stepboard. The Modelista stepboard na kinabit na natin. Final output na yan guys, as you can see. Sobrang sleek, slim design. All black siya, walang logo. Mukhang OEM talaga. That's one upgrade that you can do to your Innova. Second, we put the Deepdish matting inside the car. Pinaka-importanting upgrade also. 5D Deepdish matting, that's the front. And then you have the rear. Yan, full siya. Para pag may natapon na something, at least you can clean it up, right? And then we also put the trunk tray, guys. Extended trunk tray siya for the back seat as well. As you can see, sorry, may gamit. But yes, that's what the trunk tray looks like. With the logo of Zenix as well. Yan. Diba? Yung lumang matting ni boss. Tinago niya. And then, what else did we do? We also upgraded the Zenix with the rain visors and the side step sills, by the way. Side step sills on all sides. And then we have the rain visor on the sides. Rain guard, rain visor tawag din. And then we also put the mud guards, as you can see, together with the stepboard. Mud guards, right? Iwas putik, easy to clean, right? And then, dome lights. We also upgraded the dome lights of this car. Map lights, dome lights. Ito guys, as you can see, oh, diba? White na siya. LED na white before it was halogen na yellow. And also, we also put the Dashcam for this one. The DD-Pi N5 dual Dashcam, 4K na siya. This is the final output, yan. Diba? Very sleek and slim design. Hardly noticeable for your safety on the road na rin, guys. So if you want to upgrade all these accessories for your Innova Zenix, you know where to go. Dito lang sa Electrovox. Thank you so much, guys.